Well, good afternoon. This is Rich, and the markets had another big day today, led really by the soybean market once again. We saw a great week of export sales last week, and as I mentioned in the letter, the most surprising part of that was the old crop sales, over 600,000 tons. This is typically the time of the year where we're giving up shipment and sales both to South America, but with the continued shortening of the crop down there, we continue to see more importance on U.S. stocks, and we see the Chinese continue to be good buyers. They bought over half of our old crop sales this week and 85% of the new crops, so they continue to be very active, even with the markets trading almost at 6-month highs. So here at the close tonight, we did have May corn up 10 1/4 at 6.69. December corn up 8 1/4 cents at 5.72 1/4. May soybeans up 18 3/4 at 13.69. November soybeans up 15 1/4 at 13.26 1/4. The December cotton down 0.38 at 88.27. September rice up 40.5 points at 14.82.5. I mentioned this morning in the third Thursday meeting that I'm kind of optimistic towards rice prices this year. I think given a little bit of a cut in acres once again, with a pickup in demand, I think we could see rice stocks down as opposed to cotton stocks, which I guess I'm kind of bearish to new crop cotton. Still think we've got some downside there. If we get a good year of harvested acres this year with a decent yield, we could have plenty of gain in cotton stocks once again. So kind of looking at a spread there between those two commodities. The wheat market posted a strong close as well. We had July Chicago wheat up 18 cents, 6.72.5. Kansas City July wheat up 23 at 7.13 1/4, and Minneapolis September wheat up 13 1/4 cents at 8.05. The dollar is down about 0.4 of a point here near the close. Crude oil steady on the day. Gold up $16 an ounce after having a couple of big selling days, and the Dow continues to be strong, up 35 points at 13,165. Also did see the cattle market down fairly hard today. Live cattle down 62 cents. Feeders in the April contract down $1, and hogs down 55 cents. So weaker markets there today. Well, tomorrow's a Friday, so we'll see if we get anything exciting going into the weekend. Certainly the RSIs on soybeans are up in the 80s, which would indicate we're due for a correction there, and corn pushing up closer to 70 as well. So we'll see if we do see some correction heading into the weekend. Have a good evening. We will talk to you tomorrow.